Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of DIY smartwatches and the story of one Reddit user who decided to build their own, completely customized timepiece. Now, you might be thinking, why go through the trouble of building a smartwatch from scratch when you can just buy one off the shelf? Well, that's where things get interesting. First of all, let's talk about the appeal of building your own tech. Personally, I think it's a great way to learn about how things work under the hood, and to truly customize your device to your needs. But there's another, more pressing reason: privacy. When you buy a commercial smartwatch, you're essentially trusting the manufacturer with your data. And let's be honest, with the recent scandals surrounding tech companies collecting user data, that's a big risk. So, what did this Redditor do? They decided to build their own smartwatch, ensuring that it wasn't spying on them. Now, this isn't just about privacy, it's also about the fun of it. Building a smartwatch from scratch is a complex project that requires a variety of skills, from soldering to coding. But the satisfaction of seeing your creation come to life is unparalleled. And let's not forget the customization. With a DIY smartwatch, you can choose the features that matter to you, whether it's a heart rate monitor, a game, or a flashlight. Now, let's take a closer look at the specs of this homemade smartwatch. It's built around an ESP32, WROOM, 32D microcontroller, on a homemade PCB. This chip is wired to a 240 by 280 LCD display, accelerometer, heart rate sensor, real-time clock module, vibration motor, speaker, and a 200 mAh rechargeable battery. The case is 3D printed, and the watch is attached to a wrist strap. At the moment, there are several clock styles available, and the watch can display custom wallpaper. As for apps, there's a heart rate monitor, a Tetris clone, a timer, a flashlight, and an ultrasonic blaster for playing with dogs. Looking ahead, the Redditor plans to develop a Pong game, add a temperature sensor, and implement Bluetooth music control. And that's just the beginning. The possibilities are endless when you have the freedom to customize your device. Now, I know what you're thinking, building a smartwatch from scratch sounds like a lot of work. And you're right. It's not for the faint of heart. But if you're up for the challenge, there are plenty of resources available online, like the bill of materials and pictures shared on Reddit. And if you do decide to take the plunge, be sure to share your creation with the community. After all, there's something truly special about seeing the fruits of your labor come to life. So, what do you think? Is building your own tech something you'd be interested in? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights and DIY projects. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.